It has never been easier to record phone calls on your iPhone. I'm the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. Recording phone calls on iPhone has long been a challenge, but with iOS 18.1, Apple's finally introducing a native call recording feature as part of Apple Intelligence. This new functionality makes it easier than ever to document important conversations, conduct interviews, or keep records for research purposes. Now, before we dive into this process, it's crucial to understand the legal implications of recording calls. Laws vary from state to state, so always ensure that you're complying with the local regulations before recording any conversation. To use this new feature, you're going to need an iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, any iPhone 16 or iPhone XS. You'll also need iOS 18.1 or later installed on your iPhone. Here's how to update your iPhone to iOS 18.1. Open Settings, tap General, select Software Update. Now, if available, download and install iOS 18.1. Now, let's walk through how to record a call using iOS 18.1. Initiate or answer a phone call as usual. Look for the new recording icon in the upper left-hand corner of the call screen. See that? Tap the icon to start recording. You'll hear a countdown from 3 seconds and an audio message.
This call will be recorded.
Then you'll see a notification informing all parties that the call is being recorded. When you end the call, you'll hear this message.
This call is no longer being recorded.
A notification from the Notes app is going to appear, directing you to the audio file and transcript. Tap the notification to open the recording in Notes. In the Notes app, you can play back the audio recording, read the automatically generated transcript, and share the recording as needed. More great tips like this at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? All you have to do is open a new browser, click the red button when you go to cyberguy.com.